Hello everybody! Welcome to Decor Tricks, and welcome to a new exciting video. The modern bathroom is no longer just a functional space, it has become a personal retreat, a place to unwind and recharge. In 2025, bathroom design is all about blending luxury with practicality, creating an atmosphere that feels both sophisticated and serene. From nature-inspired aesthetics to cutting-edge smart technology, these design ideas redefine comfort and style. Whether you're planning a full remodel or a simple refresh, these trends will help you transform your bathroom into a modern sanctuary. Let's explore the best modern bathroom design ideas that will define 2025. Bringing nature into the bathroom creates a calming and rejuvenating atmosphere. In 2025, organic materials like natural stone, wood, and textured tiles are taking center stage. These elements add warmth and depth, making the space feel more inviting. Indoor greenery is also becoming a must-have. Think lush potted plants, vertical gardens, or even small trees for a spa-like ambience. Soft, earthy tones like warm beige, muted greens, and sandy browns dominate modern bathroom palettes, reinforcing a connection to nature. Whether it's a wood-accented vanity or a stone feature wall, these details create a refreshing retreat right at home. A clean and uncluttered bathroom instantly feels more luxurious. In 2025, minimalism takes center stage with floating vanities, handle-free cabinets, and wall-mounted toilets that create a sleek, streamlined look. Large-format tiles with minimal grout lines make the space appear more expansive, while seamless glass shower enclosures add to the open, airy feel. The key is simplicity, fewer visual distractions, and a focus on high-quality materials. Matte finishes, soft curves, and neutral tones enhance the modern aesthetic, proving that a minimalist approach doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. Technology is redefining modern bathrooms, making them more convenient, efficient, and luxurious. In 2025, smart features like heated floors ensure warmth on chilly mornings, while digital shower controls let users set the perfect water temperature with a touch. Smart mirrors with built-in LED lighting, anti-fog features, and touchscreen displays add both functionality and elegance. Hygiene is also a top priority. Touchless faucets and self-cleaning toilets help maintain a cleaner space with minimal effort. Even lighting adapts to mood and time of day, with customizable smart systems that create the perfect ambience for relaxation or productivity. A well-designed bathtub or shower can transform a bathroom into a true sanctuary. In 2025, freestanding bathtubs with sculptural, organic shapes are taking center stage, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. Whether it's a sleek oval design or a deep soaking tub with a matte finish, these statement pieces create a spa-like experience at home. On the other hand, showers are getting bigger and more luxurious. Oversized rainfall shower heads, body jets, and steam functions offer a therapeutic escape. Bold fixture finishes like matte black, brushed gold, and gunmetal add a striking contrast, making every bath or shower feel like a five-star retreat. A clutter-free bathroom instantly feels more luxurious, and smart storage solutions are making organization effortless. In 2025, recessed shelving built into shower walls and vanities keeps essentials within reach without taking up extra space. Mirrored cabinets with hidden compartments provide sleek, functional storage while maintaining a clean aesthetic. Floating shelves in natural wood tones add warmth and style, while under vanity drawers maximize space without sacrificing design. Even seating is becoming multifunctional, with built-in benches that double as concealed storage. Every detail is designed to keep the bathroom looking polished, streamlined, and effortlessly organized. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the perfect ambience, and in 2025, bathrooms are embracing layered illumination for both function and aesthetics. Soft, dimmable lighting transforms the space from a bright morning routine zone to a relaxing evening retreat. Backlit mirrors provide a subtle, modern glow, while integrated LED strips under vanities and along walls add depth and warmth. Pendant lights and wall sconces introduce a decorative touch, blending style with practicality. The key is balance. Strategic lighting placement ensures every corner is well lit while creating a soothing, spa-like atmosphere. Sustainability is shaping the future of bathroom design, with eco-friendly choices becoming both stylish and responsible. In 2025, water-saving fixtures like dual-flush toilets and low-flow faucets help reduce consumption without compromising performance. Energy-efficient LED lighting and smart ventilation systems minimize electricity use while enhancing comfort. Materials are also shifting towards sustainability. Bamboo vanities, recycled glass tiles, and reclaimed wood accents add character while reducing environmental impact. Even natural ventilation solutions, like skylights and large windows, reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Every eco-conscious choice contributes to a bathroom that's not just beautiful but also better for the planet. Modern bathroom design in 2025 is all about blending luxury, functionality, and sustainability. From nature-inspired elements and minimalist aesthetics to smart technology and eco-friendly choices, every detail creates a space that feels both stylish and serene. Whether it's a statement bathtub, hidden storage, or layered lighting, these trends turn an ordinary bathroom into a personal retreat. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more design trends and home inspiration. Hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.